All right, guys, it is time for break number 4 of our Leaf Pro Set Pure Football 2023. You've got 3 autograph cards in each box. Chance to pull one of ones. Low numbered cards. You got guys like C.J. Stroud. Whole lot more than that. J.J. McCarthy. Got Carson Beck, who's now going to Miami. Got Travis Hunter, who just won the Heisman. You got some nice cards in here. So every spot in the break is going to give you one random division, plus there's a collegiate spot as well. So anybody that's NIL or not currently with a NFL team like Travis Hunter will go to the college spot. So 9 spots altogether. Donnie, you've got 3 spots. Rick's got 2. Jeff's got 2. Danny's got 1. And then I closed it out with the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our divisions. We'll mix this up 5 times. All right, one random division per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times, match them up. All right, here we go. So, Danny, you've got the AFC East. Donnie's got the NFC North, the college spot, and the AFC South. Jeff, you've got the AFC North and the NFC East. Rick with the AFC West and the NFC West. And then I've got the NFC South. Oh, no, throw it. Oh, my gosh. Dude, he just dropped it. Shoot. How'd he drop that freaking ball? Oh. No flag. Shocker. And then he drops it. All right, guys, 3 cards. Here we go. First up, we got Xavier Leggett, 5 out of 6. That's a nice one there. I think that's Panthers. It's going to be the team that drafted him. No, come on. Same theory I told you about Josh Allen. Patrick Mahomes has to have the ball 2 times in a row. Don't make these 2 great quarterbacks only have 1 crack at getting the first down. Don't just hand it off and make it a 3rd and 8. Then you might have to punt. To me, Mahomes is going to use his legs. He's going to extend the Should have already had this. Expect him to throw the ball here and on 3rd down. Xavier Leggett, yeah, that's going to be Panthers. So what's that? NFC South on that one. 5 out of 6. Oh, let's go. 1 of 1, Mike Singletary. NFC North, come on. 1 of 1 right there. Doesn't want to focus in. Come on. Nice 1 of 1, Mike Singletary. NFC North. It's going to be Donnie. Come on, Donnie. Dang, come on. And then Anthony Richardson. Dude, this box is loaded, man. 4 out of 6 on this one. And that's going to be the AFC South. So that one's Donnie too. Donnie. Killing this break. NFC North. with the 1-of-1 Singletary. And then hitting the Anthony Richardson 4 out of 6. Dude, solid box right there. Come on. All right. Man, that's what we're waiting on that Pro Set Pure. So, guys, we'll get those cards in the mail tomorrow. Appreciate you jumping in on this one.